Hey guys, welcome to One Best Trade. In this video, I'm going to discuss 5 best websites for fundamental analysis. In these websites, you can find the right tools and screeners to find a right stock for your long-term investing. Come, let's explore these websites. So the first website in this list is Market Mojo, very famous website for fundamental analysis. All you need to do is just enter a company you want to do analysis. For example, Hindustan Unilever. Just select the company. You will find a dashboard where you can find a key highlights of overall analysis, and then you will go to the technical parameters where you can find whether stock is bullish or bearish according to the technical parameters like MACD, RSI, Bollinger Band, and also moving average and more. And then quality analysis, you're going to do a quality analysis based on the fundamental parameters, and then you're going to do valuation analysis based on the different fundamental parameters. You can also find overall whether stock is expensive or attractive based on that valuation. Next tab is a financial trend where you can find a sales growth and profit growth. So next you can find a graph where you can see the stock price movement with respect to time period. And next is the returns. You can find the stock returns versus index, last 10 years returns, 5 years returns, last 1 year returns, you can find it. And also you can find a dividend yield. The next is news. All sort of company related news you can find here. Next tab is a recommendation where you can find recommendations from various stockbroking firms. And next is a financial where you can find the quarterly results, half yearly results, and also yearly results you can see here. Next we can find shareholding pattern tab where you can find shareholding structure. Next tab is a company CV where you can find the company history, business segments, and more. And then last but not the least, where you can do the comparison between their peers with respect to different parameters. They do have a paid service. If you take up a paid service, you'll get an advanced scanner and also model portfolio. You will get a advisory on your existing portfolio as well. Now let's go to the second website in this list, that is Screener.in. This website is also very famous and also oldest website for stock analysis. All you need to do is just enter a company name. You can find all the important parameters in this dashboard where you can find a market capital, P ratio, ROCE, ROE, book value, current value, high, low, dividend yield, and face value. And also you can see about the company history and also the key points also you can find. And next tab you can see the chart where you can find the stock price movement with respect to time. Here you can also find the pros and cons about the company, and here peers comparison you can find it, and also here you can see the quarterly results. And very important thing is here you can see compounded sales growth. You can see 10 years growth, 5 years growth, and 3 years growth, and also CAGR profit growth you can see, CAGR stock price growth you can see, and return on equity 10 years, 5 years, and 3 years you can see here. And then balance sheet you can see, cash flow statement you can find, and all the ratios also, important ratios you can find here. Very important is shareholding pattern. You can find FIIs, promoters, DIIs, also public shareholding pattern you can see here. Here important documents like annual reports, con calls, the credit rating reports, all you can find here. In this tab you can find a ready screeners based on the popular themes, popular formulas, and also based on the quarterly results, and also based on the valuations. And also you can find here some ready scanners by experts. For example, you want to search a growth stocks, just go and click it. You can find the growth stocks. Here you can modify the parameters. You can then run the query. Using the feed tab, you can create your own watch list. You can monitor your portfolio. That is how you can use this screener. Now let's go to the next best website, that is Tickertape. Just enter the company you want to do a research. Just go and click it. So then you can find all the parameters including the overview and also technical chart and key metrics like a P ratio, PB ratio, dividend yield, PE, sector PE, and sector PB, and also sector dividend yield. And also you can see overall rating of the company and company profile, and also important brands of the company you can see here. And also peer companies also you can see here. And then financial trends also you can see. the profit growth and also revenue growth. Important news and events also you can see here. Here you can see some important insights about the stock. And also the best feature in this website is a screener. Just go and click it, where you can scan the stocks based on the various parameters, based on the profitability and also price and volume, financial ratios, growth, valuation and more. For example, you want to search your companies having a PE ratio between 10 and 20. All you need to do is just mention the range 10 and 20 and then go and search it. Automatically, you can find the stocks having a PE ratio between 10 and 20. This is how you can scan it. Next feature is a market mood index. Just go and click it, where you can see this market mood index. It is a sentiment index. It will help you whether the market is in fear, greed or extreme fear. The next feature is deals. Here you can see bulk deals and also insider trading details. Next good feature is a learn. In this tab you can find all the good articles about fundamental analysis. Next tab is a blog, where you can find a lot of articles about current events, personal finance and also stock stories. And also next best website is a Trendline. All you need to do is just enter a company you want to do a research. For example, Reliance Industry. Just select the company. You will find a dashboard where you can find major fundamental parameters like market capital, PE and also book value and more. And also one good feature is SWOT analysis. Just go and double click it in the dashboard. You will find a strength, weakness, opportunity and threats of the companies. And then you can find a technical chart, and next you can find the quarterly results and also the peers companies you can find here, and then annual results, balance sheet, financial ratios and cash flow statement you can find. Next we can find the technical parameters, important moving averages like a 50, 100 and 200 day moving averages, and major support and resistance also you can find here, and shareholding pattern also you can find here. And then deals, the bulk deals and also insider trading details you can find here. So then we can find corporate action, and then major news also we can find here. One of the best and also unique feature in this website is Superstars. In this tab you can find the portfolios of famous investors in India. All you need to do is just double click it. You can find the portfolios of famous investors like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Sunil Singhania, Mukul Agarwal, Ashish Dhawan and Dolly Khanna, and also Purinju Velinath, Vijay Kedia and many more. Here you can see their sector preferences, their largest holdings, recently bought stocks and also recently sold stocks you can find here. If you want to see the complete portfolio, all you need to do is just go and double click the investor name. Automatically you can find their portfolio, complete portfolio, where you can find their holding value and also percentage of their holding also you can find here. Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala largest holding is a Titan. He is holding more than 10,000 crores worth of shares. This is how you can check the complete portfolio of famous investors. Like other websites, you can screen the stocks based on the various fundamental factors, and also you can create your own. You can find predefined screeners as well. All you need to do is just go and click it, where you can find a predefined screeners also, or if you want to create your own, you can create your own as well. Last website but not the least website in this list, that is Tijori Finance. Very interesting website. Come, let's explore. Just enter a company name you want to do analysis. Just select the company name. In the overview, you can find the major product and services market share. In broadband, they have a 55% market share, and also LDPE product, they have a 62% market share, and polymers, they have a 34% market share, and here they have a 33% market share in petroleum products production. And then you can see the revenue mix, location wise breakup you can see. Then you can see operating profit breakup. Then you can see operational matrix, where you can see the broadband connection growth and mobile ARPU growth, and also refining margin growth. You can see all other important operational matrix also you can find here. Next tab is connections, where you can find a list of competitors product wise and also list of suppliers. Then we can find a financials, where we can find balance sheet, P&L statement, cash flow statement, ratios, and many more. Next tab is a benchmarking, where you can find a benchmarking details, shareholding pattern you can find, knowledge base, company related news you can find it. Like other websites, they do have a very good filters, that is a screeners. They have a predefined filters, they have a popular filters, and also the public filters. For example, you want to search a companies having exposure to the China, just go and run the query. Automatically you will find a list of companies having exposure to the China. You can search a deep value companies, free cash flow companies, and many more. You can also filter specialty chemical companies, home textile companies. All you need to do is just go and run the query. Very important tab in this website is raw materials. Here you can see raw material price trend, and also you can see the producing companies and also consuming companies. Another interesting tab is macro indicators. These macro indicators will help you to keep a tab on overall economy. So you can see here production of steel, cement, coal, crude oil. That trend you can see here, and also you can see the demand. Here you can see the demand for a personal loan, credit card, two-wheeler, and many more. And also you can see overall GDP trend, FDI inflow, and many more. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share, comment, and also subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet.